Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to use Claude AI. If you want to use Claude AI, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open your browser and use the search bar to search for Claude AI. Now, visit the first website as shown here. In the top right corner, you will find the Try Claude button. Then, click on it and you can continue with Google. To continue with Google, choose your Google account. Hit the Continue button and verify your phone number. Here, enter your phone number to get a verification code. You can select your country and then enter the phone number. After that, click on the Send Verification Code button. Following that, enter the verification code. It will show you the plans that grow with you. The free plan costs $0. The Pro plan costs $17 per month. The Max plan costs $100 per month. If you want to use the free plan, click on Use Claude for Free button. Hit the I understand button after reading the things it is telling you. Now, enter your name and choose the topics to explore. Click on Let's Go button and select the idea to start. If you have your own topic, you can click on I have my topic. On the home page, you will find the prompt box. You can give any prompt and send it. It will generate the code according to your prompt and will show you on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.